Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2023 LDV D90, stock number 6258. This ran from 11th 2017 to the current shape. It has an SV9A 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the SV9 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Front bonnet no dents. Left front door mirror. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,